DAO. Giving control back to the community. Before we begin to understand DAO, let us ask ourselves these 5 pertinent questions. Prior to Prime Reflux, have I worked with any platform? 1. That distributes 100% incentives? 2. Where I have to claim my incentives? 3. Where my contract can be terminated? 4. Where the platform creators have control over my funds? 5. Where I have little or no chance to earn more than older community members. If the answer is no, congratulate yourself. What you are part of is a democratic system that lets the community members decide their own income and growth path. As creators of this platform, we have set in motion some changes that will take this ecosystem to the next level of democratization. A structure where each one of the Prime Reflux community member will have the power to make suggestions. Also changes pertaining to new platforms to be added in future. Percentage distribution of incentives. Utilization of funds. Marketing strategies. Election and role of community leaders. What is a DAO? DAO stands for Decentralized Autonomous Organization. Let us understand in detail how DAO is different from the traditional business structures. Bitcoin is considered as the first DAO, as it has been functioning on its own, without the need of any organization to keep it running. A DAO is a community-run organization, without a central authority. It is completely transparent, autonomous in nature, and rules are laid down on smart contracts. The smart contracts enforce the rules upon proposal, voting, and decisions which can be publicly audited. DAO is governed entirely by the community members, who collectively make decisions related to the upgrades and its future course. Community members can create proposals, come together to vote, and once the proposal reaches a predefined level of consensus, it is then enforced through the smart contract. So instead of a select few wielding the power in a traditional company, DAO empowers all its members, and they have the authority to bring about any change in rules. The rules are built by community members through smart contracts that lay the foundational framework of a DAO. Granting voting or governance power in DAO is achieved by issuance of the governance tokens tied to the project. Token holders are given voting rights, usually in proportion to their token holdings. Beyond voting power, you can also work and get paid for the DAO, if the community members agree to bestow such responsibility. How is DAO relevant to Prime Reflux ecosystem? The decision-making in all legacy businesses or platforms are taken by a few people, and behind closed doors. They are the ones making choices and deciding what is best for you. Whereas at Prime Reflux we let each community member have an equal footing. Our thought behind it is to remove any mistrust on a few group of people, who driven by greed can control the platform as they wish, or misuse the funds. Prime Reflux is moving towards becoming a body with shared mission, and pool of funds that is managed by all. Come forward with ideas, no matter what your qualification or background is. You are an equal partner of this platform, and that gives you the right to participate in the process of shaping Prime Reflux. So if your proposed idea is liked by other community members, it gets raised to the top and finally implemented. PRC tokens play an integral part of running this DAO model, and holding PRC tokens makes you a stakeholder. With every new platform like PrimeBot being added in the ecosystem, makes you an early investor, and a natural shareholder in the profits. Treat your PRC tokens as a lottery ticket, as we have seen that communities who backed good platforms had to wait 2 to 3 years before their projects took off, and the value of their native token skyrocketed. PRC token is a gateway to a number of future business opportunities. You will make that call, and you will reap the benefits of it. Sounds unbelievable? Watch us do it for you all.